In today's video, I'll show you how to create FTP accounts in HostGator cPanel and then access them using FileZilla. This step-by-step guide will help you manage and transfer files between your computer and website server with ease. First, go to HostGator.com. On the homepage, click Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your HostGator login details to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, head to the website section, then click on Advanced. This section contains additional tools including FTP settings. Inside Advanced, click Manage. Now, find the option labeled FTP Access and click on it. From there, click Manage again to open the FTP account controls. Here, click Create FTP account. Enter a username, set a strong password, and adjust directory access or quotas if needed. Once done, hit Create. Be sure to save these details because you'll need them for FileZilla. Now, let's connect through FileZilla. Open the FileZilla client on your computer. At the top, enter your HostGator server address, your new FTP username, and password. The port is usually 21 unless specified otherwise. Click Quick Connect, and within a few seconds, FileZilla will connect to your server. You'll now see your local files on the left and your website's files on the right, ready for upload, download, or editing. And that's it. You've successfully created an FTP account in HostGator cPanel and connected it with FileZilla. This setup makes managing website files fast and convenient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.